Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in for today's What's in My Aliexpress Basket. Don't forget, you can click on the link in the description to purchase any of the products. So the first thing up on the list today is this 4-piece Rosette Die set, and it's £4.12. And you get the 4 different sizes. There's only showing 3 there, but it says 4 pieces, unless one is the centre. Not sure, but anyway, these are so beautiful. They're very decorative. I know I do have some Rosette dies already, but I really love the decorative edge on this one. Just gorgeous and so pretty. Oh yeah, it's the centerpiece, so that's the 4 one. So there's 3 sizes. Excuse me. And then we have 50 pieces wooden rabbits. Wooden rabbits, 50 pieces, £3.15. Very adorable to tuck in a little pocket, a tuck spot, or just for projects. Here we have some 6mm. You get 260 pieces, and they are rhinestone stickers. And they're sticker sheets, and you can either pick a colour or you can have multicoloured, which I really love, and they're the ones I've ordered. And I just thought, well, just get a couple of packs of the multicoloured, and then that saves on space as well. And you've got all the colours. And then we have these large flower dies and leaves, and look at the project in the corner that they make. They are very pretty. So you have the 4 different layering sizes and the leaves to go with that. And they're £1.74. I do have a couple of paper pads in today's basket. So this is 24 sheets paper pad. It is 6x6, and it's £3.24. And it's, you know, a little bit sort of country cottage, shabby chic, vintage, just very pretty. And yes, I shall definitely be looking forward for that to arrive. Now, I don't only have crafting items, I also have very handy things, you know, in my stash. So one thing that I really love to have are double-sided tape rolls. And you get 2 pieces, and they are from 2mm to 10mm thickness, and they're from £1.32. So these are super strong ones as well, because I have actually purchased those ones before, and they're really good. So I thought I'd share them with you. Then we have these lantern box dies, £2.62. They make these really cute treat box size little boxes, and this seller has a couple of different sort of styles as well to choose from. They're very lovely. And coming up, this is another bow die that I found. I'm kind of on a mission to find different bows. And this is a 4-piece bow die set, £2.34. And this is different than the ones I have, because it's got like a slit on the main bit. And it's just super pretty and lovely. And look, I mean, you know, you just use your patterned paper and your DSP and some plain paper, and you put a little embellishment in the middle and you're all good to go. And you can even turn them into these sort of like rosette bows as well. Yeah. So, okay, we have this stamp, and I got this for the cat. It's £2.03, but it has got a dog on it, a coffee cup. It's got some little sayings on there as well. Just very cute. Just another stamp set for my stash. Now, if you ever want corners, these are flat corners. I do have some vintage corners, but they're the ones that slip on the corner of a book page or a cover. These are flat, and you get 12 pieces for £2.10. But I just thought they'd be quite interesting to even put on tags. You wouldn't have to have them on the corner of a page or a project, but you can put these on boxes and use them to decorate lots of different projects. They are just lovely. Don't know if they have them in any other colour. I don't think they do. I think they only have the vintage colour, but I'm sure you'll be able to find them in different colours maybe. And then we have, excuse me, 5 yards of pom-pom trim, and they're various colours, and they're £1.17 to £2.45. And like I said, they have these different variation. I have ordered this one with the white background and the different colours, but they do have quite a lot of choice to pick from. And they're fun. They're fun on the edge of journal pages. I love pom-pom trim. Excuse me, and so do the cats. Right, okay, so this is a map of the world cotton fabric piece, and you can choose 45 to 45, 45 by 45, I should say, 50 by 145, and oh, so 45 by 45 up to 50 by 145, but I think there's a couple of different options. £1.56 to £6.24. And I just thought that'd be fun to have. Excuse me, oh my goodness. I am so sorry about my horrible cough. Okay, so this is a 60-piece Alice in Wonderland sticker set. Now, I do have some Alice in Wonderland stickers, which are very vintagey sort of looking. But these are more sort of fun characters, and they are £2.91, and they are just adorable and fun and cute. And more stickers for my sticker stash, because I do not have enough, obviously, because I keep ordering more. And then we have some, excuse me, A5 vintage music book vellum paper stickers, £1.95. And look, they do look very old and vintage, and I just thought that they would look lovely, and I hope that you can still rip it like you would, you know, to do collaging and mixed media projects and that, but they're sticky, so you don't have to worry about glue. I do use music sheet paper a lot, so I thought that that would be cool to have. Excuse me. Then we have another paper pad, 24 pieces, 6 by 6, and it is £2.52. Again, this sort of shabby chic cottage garden, very floral, very pretty paper pad. And then we have a big paper pad. This is a 10-inch paper pad. It's called Rose Garden, and it is £10.92. And I've got a feeling this is going to be one of those paper pads that I don't want to use. Not because I don't want to use it. I do want to use it, but I find it very hard to use it, because I'm like, no, I want to treasure it, I want to keep it. But of course we buy these things and we should use them, shouldn't we? Okay, so then we have a book frame die, and what I love about this die set, it's £2.17 by the way, is look, these dies cut out all of the correct sizes for your project. I mean, look how super cute and super easy that would be. And then we have this note die set. I already have one, but I'm buying one for a friend. And it's very cute to have little pages. And it's got a little perforated edge so that you can rip it off as well. And then something different. These are rolls of burlap Hessian ribbon, 5 centimetres. Sorry, no, I don't think that's right. Might be 5 centimetres by 10 centimetres, I think, and it's £2.63, and there are 8 colours to choose from. I like Hessian on my projects. Another stamp set, and this is wishing stamp set, £1.95. So you have wishing, and then you can pick from one of the lovely other sentiments underneath. Wishing you a lovely day, wishing you were here, wishing you a happy birthday, wishing you happiness, wishing you joy, or wishing... I didn't catch that one. Right, so thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed, and don't forget you can click on the link in the description below if you want to order any of these products. So thanks for watching. Take care. See you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.